Hey guys, welcome back to math on your first day back from spring break. I'm sure you are super excited. I know we're a little disappointed to be doing this virtually and not back in the classroom, but we are going to start fourth quarter off on a different standard than we left off on the week before spring break. So welcome back. Let's get started. You will see on your screen where it says properties of quadrilaterals. So we've talked about a lot of stuff in geometry, I know, in all of our classrooms when it comes to angles or sides of shapes or how to classify shapes. So today I'm going to assign this to you in your Google Classroom, but we're going to go through the first one together today, and then we'll do this one tomorrow, and then this one on Wednesday. So you don't have to do the ones I just clicked through. Today's practice, we'll add on to this every day. So today's practice will just be these two pages, page 5 and page 6 of this slideshow that I'm going to assign to you. Today I just want to look at which of these shapes in this area on the right here, and I don't know what side it is on your screen, to be honest, has no right angles, has exactly 1 right angles, has exactly 2, and then exactly 4. So think about that. Think to yourself for just a second, and I know most of you are going to know the answer, but what classifies as a right angle? So if I tell you this shape has a right angle, what does that really mean? It should mean that you have exactly 90 degrees or an L shape on either form. So if we start, I'm going to pull this shape just kind of in the middle, and I want you to look at that for just a second. Oh, sorry, my nose is itching. Are there any right angles in this shape? No, there's not any right angles in that shape. This one up at this top corner that I'm kind of circling, it comes pretty close, but it's not exactly 90 degrees. It would be classified as a acute angle. So I'm going to go ahead and move that up to the right column. And I don't know how many of these are going to fit, so I'm just going to kind of push them all together until we figure that out. So first of all, what shape is this? What shape could you classify this under? It is a square. And what are the properties of a square? So does it have exactly 1 right angle, 2 right angles, or 4 right angles? It has 4. So you have 4 right angles, and that's what those little boxes mean when they're in the corner like that kind of make the L for you, is to just show you that those are actually right angles, and it's not tricky when you look kind of at this one where you're like, it's close. So a lot of times people that draw shapes that are trying to get you to notice that will have those little squares in the box for you. So that does have 4 right angles. So same thing with this one. How many right angles does it have? So you're looking for these little boxes to box in the perfect angle because it makes a square in the corner. So we have 2 of those. So we are going to put that in has exactly 2 right angles. And then you have this one, and it has 4. So I'm going to stop right there, and I'm going to move these kind of around a little bit, and then I'm going to share this with you guys. And I want you to finish doing this slide on your own to just kind of get familiar with it. And then I also want you to complete slides 5 and 6 today. Okay, have a good day, guys.